If you are gardening on a small balcony, horizontal space disappears fast. Pots take up room, plants spread everywhere, and suddenly you feel like you are out of space before even starting. But the truth is, the secret to massive balcony harvest has nothing to do with how wide your space is. It's about how tall it is. Vertical growing unlocks a whole new level of productivity. When you train your plants upward, you free up your floor and turn empty walls into food-producing machines. So today I want to share the top vine and climbing plants that thrive in containers. These varieties grew up instead of out, making them perfect for anyone working with limited space. Think of them as your vertical gardening heroes, plants that transform your balcony into a thriving, high-yield mini farm. Let's dig into the best climbers for balcony gardening. First are pole beans. They are incredibly productive, far more than bush beans, and they take almost no ground space. As long as you give them something to climb, a trellis, a bamboo teepee, or even a piece of string, they grow fast and reward you with a constant supply of beans. They are one of the easiest and most efficient vertical crops. Next are compact cucumbers. Cucumbers can take over an entire balcony if left to sprawl, but when you trace them vertically, everything changes. Choose compact, vining varieties, not huge, slicing cucumbers. A simple trellis keeps the fruit clean, improves airflow, and makes harvesting much easier. In small spaces, cucumbers absolutely must grow upward. Then we have indeterminate tomatoes. While they aren't technically vines, they behave like climbers. They grow continuously until frost and absolutely require support. A tomato cage isn't enough. They need a strong vertical stake or trellis and regular pruning to stay upright and productive. Managed vertically, they give you steady harvest all season long. Fourth are melons. Yes, melons. Small cantaloupes or specialty varieties can grow beautifully on a balcony as long as you trellis them. The key is providing support for the fruit. Little slings made from old cloth, mesh or stockings that cradle the melons as they mature. It's surprisingly effective and saves a huge amount of space. And finally, vining berries like blackberries and compact grapes. These plants are long-term investments that come back year after year. They need a deep pot and a strong structure because their canes become woody and heavy over time. But once established, they produce impressive harvest and turn your balcony wall into a lush, edible landscape. If you want all of this to work, there is one essential rule. Pruning and trellising go hand in hand. Climbing plants need guidance. You have to tie them up as they grow, remove side shoots when necessary, and keep the structure open so air can move through. This prevents disease and helps the plant put its energy exactly where you want it, upward, toward more fruit. Vertical gardening is powerful, but it also comes with a challenge. Containers dry out faster when plants are trained high, especially on windy balconies. And watering becomes one of the most important skills to master. If you want more simple, practical advice to help you grow food successfully in small spaces, make sure to subscribe. I share new balcony gardening tips every week to help you get real harvest, even with just a few pots. Happy climbing!